Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build one antenna. Receive free television signals at home. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you have trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. Now let's use pliers to remove this clothes hanger. To measure into equal parts. Then let's cut this clothes hanger. This clothes hanger will be, which is to pick up the signal from the antenna. On this wood, you'll also mark it. Use a drill to drill into the spot just marked. These markers are spaced evenly apart. Let's wrap up these copper wires into clothes hangers that are fixed straight. You wrap it up. Clothes hanger. Now, let's connect the antenna to the television. Now, let's use insulating tape to fix it. The rest of you too. Cut off the outer layer used inside. But this part is for connecting wires. This part, very is important. Take a close look. To avoid being mistaken, fix the antenna to the rack. Wrap insulating adhesive tape to add stronger part. Let's start the experiment now. My television, before it had an antenna, it didn't have any waves. Now connect the antenna wire end with TV. Turn on the TV and find new channels. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it helpful, press like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the fun, creative tricks. And share to your friends. I wish you success.